Looking to green up your space? Here are 5 fast-growing indoor plants that are perfect for beginners. First up, the Pothos. This beauty can grow up to 10 inches a month. Just give it some indirect sunlight, and watch those trailing vines take off. Next we have the spider plant. It's not just cute. It produces baby plants that you can propagate easily. Plus it's great at purify the air. Third on the list is the snake plant. This tough guy thrives on neglect and can grow a couple of inches each week. It's perfect for those who forget to water. Then there's the peace lily. Not only does it bloom stunning white flowers, but it also grows quickly in low light. Just keep the soil moist and it'll reward you. Finally, meet the ZZ plant. This one's a real survivor. It can grow in low light and needs very little water, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. So if you want a lush indoor jungle, these 5 plants are your best bet.